Okay, so for those of you that were just watching the Weebly tutorial, I just wanted to try to finish up real quick and let you know what I was trying to say was you want to change the title to the idiom or pun that you had used for your domain, and then you're going to hit publish. Once you hit publish, then it is on the World Wide Web. Anybody can view it who has the URL. Make sure you save that URL into Google Classroom for the Thursday night due date. Okay, so now let's do Google Sites. The best way that I know to navigate to Google Sites is to search Google Sites. I'm already logged into my email address, my school email. I'm going to switch over to the new Google Sites. I like it better, and I don't think that you will have to actually click that. I think it'll automatically pop up the new Google Sites for you. So these are past Earth Environmental Science students who have shared their sites but haven't published or chose not to publish, or maybe they did both. So I'm just going to start over and click a plus sign to create a new site. The first thing I'm going to do is name my site, and my idiom was out of this world. I'm going to come over here and click publish so that I know I get that one. And I already have out of this world, so I know that it's already been taken. So I'm going to change it by adding a few numbers at the end and then click publish. Okay, so one of the things that I like about Google Sites is you're not starting with any preconception of what the page is supposed to look like. They do have some settings for themes, but it's just changing colors, changing a little bit of the format, but it doesn't give you an idea of what you think that the whole page is going to look like the same way that Weebly does. So it gives you that element where that you have all the creative power that you would like. The first thing that you'll need to do is come over here at the top where it says pages. And right now all you have is a home page. To add a page, you click the plus sign, and then you may ask yourself, well, how do I know where to find what pages that I do want? Remember, I told you to visit downtoascience.weebly.com to find the slideshow that I created to guide you through the different headings for your website. I have them here. So let's start with the very first heading, which is Earth and Space. So my first page is going to be Earth and Space. And then I want to click Done. That's my mom. I don't know if you can hear her. And for my sub pages, I want to click the plus sign again. Oh, let me back up. Actually, we'll just come over here and I'll show you the next heading, which is lithosphere. And just in case you need me to do it one more time, I'm going to create one more page, which will be hydrosphere. Now you'll need to go ahead and create pages for atmosphere, biosphere, and human impact, as well as their subpages. So I'm going to show you how to create a subpage, first with Earth and Space. Let's create the subpage Earth's Motion under Earth and Space. So you come over here to these three little dots, and you're going to click Add a Subpage. I'm going to call it Earth's Motion. And notice that it indents, and that lets you know then that's a subpage. You want to come back up here again to add another subpage. Be careful not to add a subpage to Earth in Motion, because you can, but we want all the subpages to come off of Earth and Space that belong to that heading. So then we need one for seasons. Okay, so there you have it. That's how you create the different pages, which is going to be the foundation. Notice that every time that you create a new page, it shows up here on your home page, and then you have the drop-down menus that allows you to navigate to those sub pages as well. Just real quickly, I'm going to show you how you're able to add images or a text box. You'll also need to know how to add YouTube videos later on, but you just click the image, and if you have it in your Google Drive, you upload from there. You can also search the internet and that way, or you can find them from your hard drive. So this will be how you add your meme. And then you can also add text box. And then you'll be able to use these to be able to move it up and down past your other images and other texts. So I hope this was helpful. If there's anything else that I can do, just let me know. Remember, you will have to do all of the headings, not just these. You're required to do all of them to get full credit for the web page that's due, the web page assignment due Thursday night. And that's all I got.